We started off with saturated. That's the most concentrated solution possible at a given temperature. Then we went to unsaturated. That's the opposite. So that holds more solution at a given temperature compared to less. Then we went to supersaturated, a solution that contains a more dissolved solution than a saturated solution contains under the same condition. Next, we went to solubility. That's the ability for one substance to dissolve into another at a given temperature or pressure. After that, we went to solubility curve. We went there because that dissolved in 100 grams of water, so they all dissolved the same. After that, we went to molecular substances. They're composed of molecules. Then after that, we went to polar molecules. These are molecules with an unequal distribute of charge, resulting in one being positive and in one having a negative end. So they're connected because they both have to do with molecules. Next, we went to percent concentration, which is G solution slash G solute slash G solution times 100. Then we went to ppm, which indicates low concentration of chemical in the air. Like I was saying, there is low concentrations of chemicals in the air or water. And we put them together because they both had to do for math. 1 ppm is 1 out of a million. I also forgot to say that we're going to have a concentrate. That has to do with it's a measurement of how much solute exists within a certain volume, and that has to do with ppm, so that's why that's there.
And then we did pH scale. It measures a system used to indicate the concentrate of hydrogen ions in a solution ranges from 0 to 14. And then we went down to alkaline, having a pH greater than 7 as basic solution that contains OH ions. And then acid. Compounds that form hydrogen ions, H+, and solutions having a pH less than 7. Dissolved oxygen. Oxygen dissolved in the water. Oxygen is important for fish and other aquatic animals. And pH is what the fish need to breathe. Heavy metal elements, mid-periodic table, high density, toxicity of poisonous or to organisms, and very low concentrates in water. So if water would be dissolved with metal, then the pH could be really high and fish could die.